Hi you guys, my name is Sarah. If you like furniture makeovers, you are in the right spot. Don't go anywhere. I am an Aussie living in Nashville, Tennessee with my family, and I paint, repurpose, and refinish a lot of furniture. And if you like that sort of content, please consider subscribing. That will be amazing. Welcome to my little shop. This is 445 Designs. Okay, the oak dresser that I whitewashed and painted in a custom color months ago now replaced mine and Phil's dresses. You've already seen mine made over. I did a piece for me to just let loose on and have fun, and I did. I had a lot of fun. This guy is an older dresser. It was Phil's dresser. I will be making over this guy today. I'm not going to be touching the drawer fronts. I am going to sand back the top and see what it looks like. It does have to have a repair on it. Okay, so you can see here we got a little couple damage marks when we moved, and then that crease right there, the wood has been previously glued and it's come unstuck. When we moved, again, you know, moving is like, it ruins your furniture sometimes. Anyway, I need to nail it or screw it back in. So we're going to make that repair, leave the drawer fronts the way they are, probably sand back the top and stain that. And then we're going to be painting everything else. Let's get into it. So I'm up to a 120 grit now. I went in with a coarser grit at 100 and just went to town to get the paint and also the top coat underneath that from the original finish off. And what you're going to see now is me working my way through all the grits, and that's so important because 100 grit, you know, there's going to be squiggles, or there were squiggles in that wood top. So now as I work my way through the grits, especially when I'm doing now sanding by hand, it is really ensuring that I am sanding back the surface and I am getting rid of those squiggles in the wood top. So when I stain it, you aren't going to see those because they will show up in your stain. I was sick of the glue squeeze out bottles. They're so annoying. Just truth. So I put them in an old paint container. Just as good. And we all know I love to put my finger in the glue anyway, so. Okay. So much better. Oops. I am using Minwax Dark Walnut Stain for the top and just an old cheapy sponge brush. Guys, everything that I use in this video will be listed below. Sometimes that does include Amazon affiliate links, which I'm sure you already know, but doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps out my little channel. So if you're already ordering on Amazon and you are interested in any of the products, you can click the links below. Thanks, guys. I have some Hampton Olive Dixie Belle silk left over from another project, and so that is what I'm going to be putting on. You got to make sure that you really stir it. I mean, any paint, you got to stir it really well, but those all-in-one paints, you got to stir them really well. Make sure that you get that top coat that's in there stirred into paint. Right, so silk paint. I'm sure most of you already know, but I'll just say it just to say it. Don't overwork it. Alright, that's it. I am going to let that dry overnight. I will come back tomorrow, give it a second coat to really give it good solid coverage. And then I don't have to top coat the colour because that's right, the silk all-in-one. Top coat and paint. Someone's texting me. How good are those all-in-one paints? For a quick turnaround on a makeover, you can't go wrong. I have only used the Dixie Belle all-in-one, but my friend Tanya over on Cuts and Millie, she has a YouTube channel, but she also has a business where she sells paint, and she sells all kinds of chalk paint and mineral paint, but she sells the all-in-one paint as well. So if you're in the market and you want a quick makeover, those all-in-ones, mate, you cannot go wrong. This color, the Hampton Olive, perfection. It is so lovely. It's such a lovely olive green. It's really beautiful. I'm so happy with it. I'm glad I sanded back the top because originally it had big stains on it, and so I wasn't going to sand it back for that. Honestly, it was so long ago that I did it, I forgot about those stains, and so I'm so glad that I sanded it back because that top is perfection. That wood grain is gorgeous. Love it. And it's a great paint stain combo. I like the paint stain combo. Okay, next week's piece. I don't exactly know what it is, but I know that this video comes at the end of April, so May has a huge lineup. You guys have a couple of dresses to make over, but I also have some interesting things to do with those mirrors, right? When you buy those dresses, sometimes they come with mirrors, right? I have 3 up there on the wall. So I have an interesting hack, it's not really a hack, but a thing to do with those so you can not waste them or throw them away, but you can sell them as a product on their own, and I'm excited about that. But you'll have to subscribe and hit that bell notification and you'll get notified when those videos come up. Guys, I am so grateful for you. I really am just excited every day that I get to come out into my workroom and do this and share all of this with you. So thank you very much for following along, for hitting that like button and for sharing and all the things that you guys do. So May, I'm excited about May and I hope you guys are too. And I'll see you on next week's video. Bye guys. I'm on Struggle Street today. Oh, words very hard for me. Okay, 601 takes. Okay. So how good are those all-in-one paints? I mean, for a quick makeover, you really can't go wrong. No! Tammy, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. I've done this 700 times. I know you don't care, but I do. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Couldn't be any closer. Okay. Tammy. Tim Tams.